Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. We're going to do a comparison video today with the Bersa TPR9 versus the CZ SP01 Phantom. Both full-size guns, double action, single action, hammer fired guns that actually compare quite well. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, come on dude, why are you comparing a Bersa with a CZ? Well, if you stick with me here, you'll see that they actually compare quite well. We'll take a look at the size here. We're looking at very similar slide length and very similar grip length. And they're both very nice guns in their own right. I took them to the range, shot them side by side to get a true feel of the differences and the similarities, and I think you will agree that this is a pretty good comparison. Now let's take a look at the TPR9. When Bersa introduced this earlier this year, it's an improved version of the Thunder Pro series. They slimmed down the grip a little bit. It does hold, or come with two magazines that hold 17 rounds. The CZ hold 18 rounds, come with a couple magazines as well. Some of the advantages is that it does have ambi controls. All right, this is an unloaded firearm here, and it does have a decocker safety right there that disables the trigger and locks up the slide. But a nice gun with a accessory rail there, front serrations, 3-dot sights, large dot in the front, and a loaded chamber indicator. The street price for this is between $370 and $390. So you can see that it is a budget handgun that offers quite a bit. The most impressive thing that I see and that I've experienced with this TPR9 is the trigger pull, especially the single action trigger pull. I want you to take a look at this reset here. So here's your double action, standard, you know, heavy first pull. But after that, check out this reset right there. I mean, it is very short. Made for some quick shots at the range. It does have a 4.25 inch barrel and a pretty nice setup. And you know, I was shocked at how many people actually love Bersa firearms. I don't have a lot of reviews on Bersa on the channel here, and when I reviewed this, there are a bunch of people who love Bersa and swear by them. Many carry Bersa, and they really like the TPR models, both this and the 9C. But here we have the SP01 Phantom made by CZ. No illusion there. I know how many people love CZ handguns, and I'm a big fan myself. I already mentioned holds 18 rounds. This is also an unloaded firearm. A little longer barrel here, 4.6 inches. Polymer frame. I forgot to mention this has an alloy aluminum frame. This is a polymer frame and does come with a couple back straps there. Nice texturing on the grip, a little thinner than the TPR9. It does have a full length accessory rail and a smooth shooter, very reliable. And all in all, you know, it models my full size and all steel frame CZ SP01. No question about it. 3-dot sights, luminescent, so they do have a glow-in-the-dark feature to it, but the trigger pull is pretty awesome as well. Now this one has the decocker model. I'll show that in a bit, but here's your double action. This also can be carried in quarter cock just like that. That's not how you do it, especially with a live round. You do it just like that, and that will cut down on the full double action pull. But your single action is right there. Not as short as the Bersa, but it fires double taps, follow-up shots very quick at the range. Now the decocker right here brings it right into quarter cock. So it never strikes the hammer there. The hammer never strikes down. You can see that it doesn't go into full rest position. Extended beaver tail and a nice setup. Excellent shooting gun. Very accurate. And I'm very fond of both of these. The MSRP on this is $636, $570 on average. So here we're looking at $370, $380. Here we're looking at $560 to $570. So we're looking at a $200 difference, and both are very nice in their own right. Let's get the unloaded weight on the scale. We'll start with the CZ SP01 Phantom. That's weighing in at 1 pound, 13 3/8 ounces. We move that just to ounces. We're looking at 29 3/8 ounces compared to the Bersa, 31 3/8 ounces. So 2 ounces heavier with the alloy aluminum frame, which pretty much does it. Let's go ahead and disassemble the guns. The Bersa disassembles like no gun I've ever seen. All right, already safety checked it. You just take this lever, push it down, and off comes the slide. Very easy to do. And you have an uncaptured recoil spring, all steel guide rod, and here's your 4 1/4 inch barrel. Very easy disassembly with the Bersa, and I find that pretty impressive. Standard CZ disassemble here. We're just going to hold that there, use the help of this mag, if I can get that on there, and pop out the pin. I own several CZs. Both have full-length frame rails. And here we have an uncaptured recoil spring, all steel guide rod. Now the one thing that the CZ has is locking lugs on the barrel. You can see they just fit in there, make everything nice and tight. 4.6 inch barrel, and there they are. I'll go ahead and get these back together. It was clear at the range that both these perform very well. I enjoyed them both side by side, but if I had to choose one and money was not an issue, I would stick with the CZ SP01 Phantom. It's just so nice, so on target, and I'm very familiar with shooting CZ handguns. I just absolutely love them, and this Phantom is pretty outstanding. But for $200 less, if money was an issue, or I just wanted a quality gun, didn't want to pay in the 500s, I wouldn't think twice about picking up this Bersa TPR9. It's a nice shooter. It offers a lot of gun for the money, and I find them both to be pretty outstanding. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.